This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Reese. This is the home you have been looking for. Notice the circular driveway as you pull into your new residence, accommodating up to 6 vehicles. All impact windows and doors, 2019, with an open kitchen which is great for family and entertaining with seating for 7 just at the counter. Custom kitchen including all stainless steel appliances. The front room as you enter can be used as an addition living room or office. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs, with one being used as a den with an oversized walk-in closet which can be divided for an additional powder room or move the washer and dryer inside. The master bedroom suite is the only room upstairs. Large enough for king-size bed with your own spa. Double sinks, rain shower and jet tub allows you to relax and enjoy the quietness. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Reese at 561-981-9400.